What's up? Go, 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 just go. Whoa.
What happened?
My bag got stuck on the post.
Oh, okay. Made for a little adventure.
Yeah, for sure.
You gotta keep it alive, right?
Yeah. I thought one of the guys behind me was like grabbing me, and I was like, "What the hell?" Nope. Fence was
you.
Sweet place to try to kidnap you.
Yeah, no. Oh. You're gonna
Huh?
ski out. Well, get under, ski out, down all the way down to the bottom.
Yeah, I just ducked right there.
Yeah. I had no clue there was a line.
Where you two been skiing today?
Kind of all
we
over.
started at Little Cloud, and then we went down to Gadzoom, and then just came over here.
Yeah.
How about you?
We started over at Alta.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're over here again. So.
Are you over? So you did the road over, or?
Went over to Mineral. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then came up, yeah.
How is it? Have you been skiing over there?
Yeah, we have. You know that south. All the south faces are just horrible snow right now, right?
Oh, really?
So,
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're trying to see. I think they were going to open up Devil's Castle over there, but a lot of avalanche debris. So I'm not sure how much it's going to be worth it to make that hike.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
And they're working on Road to Provo quite a bit. Looks like
Yeah,
they're
they've been
opening up
blasting all morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
they're
I mean,
not
like from
opening
when
it.
we started at Little Cloud, I mean, I don't know, what have we heard, like 6 or something?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably more we haven't noticed.
Yeah. Yeah, we just came down and
There's a lot of
it
snow.
was close. Yeah. What was that, bud?
Cool.
Oh, I thought you said
So
something.
that looks better now.
What does?
Right next to Little Cloud, I bet, since it's got the sun on it.
Yeah.
Well, I
You're
guess
gonna
those
get nicer.
That was really nice. You guys from here?
No, Connecticut.
Oh, okay.
How about you?
Vegas.
Oh,
Yeah.
you do the big. What's it, like a 45-minute flight for you or something from Vegas?
The flight's pretty quick, yeah.
Yeah.
So we just drive.
How far is it
So
to drive?
it's like 6 hours. 6 hours from here to our house.
Did you have any issues with like the snow?
Yeah, I have a crazy car.
No, I just know, like,
So,
I know
yeah.
we flew in on Thursday, and I know the road was closed a bunch. You know,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
just not sure.
Right
I
here.
just between here and there, I just wasn't
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, the road stays pretty open. It's fine.
But you have to have
sometimes you get
chains
a
on,
bad
right?
Crash. What's that?
Do you have to have chains on, or no?
No, you gotta. As long as you have four-wheel
The
drive.
drive, you're okay.
Or
Snow
like snow tires, yeah.
Yeah, so both. Even though we live in Vegas, I have snow tires.
Oh my God, that's hysterical.
I know. It's not good. They don't last very long, but it's an insurance policy for me. Just
Yeah, coming over here. It's so
Yeah.
funny because we lived in Minnesota for 10 years, never did snow tires, and then now in Connecticut we have friends who are Canadian, and I don't know if they did it this year because we had no snow, but they always put snow tires on because they're from Canada. I'm like, oh my God, like I don't think you need snow tires around here.
Like almost never, except for that
Yeah, I
one,
mean-
except for like was it like early 2020? That was like the only time.
Yeah,
we
but you know, like when we'd have like 2 feet of snow in Minnesota, I never needed that. Like I was always fine with 4-wheel drive. And obviously, you're not going up hills, but
Yeah.
All right, we good?
all right. Well, have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Enjoy. Have a good trip.
Thanks.
Yeah.
How much longer are you guys out here for?
We're heading home today. Spring break's over.
Oh,
So
I'm lucky.
yeah.
We got
How about you?
another week and a half for me.
Oh, no, week and a half. Oh,
Not
nice.
here.
Something like that. No, not here. They got
Till the middle of next week.
4 or 5 more days here.